What's up everyone, this is Tyler from JLMI, and I got some big news. In fact, we'll have a new course coming up here in a few, and it's actually a series of 5 workshops, and it'll be running from July 23rd through July 27th. And it's kind of like a mix of Japanese pop culture and Japanese language learning at the same time. Through cool things like video game walkthroughs, or English subtitling for anime, singing J-pop and anime songs, video creation, and anime voiceovers all in Japanese. Each workshop gives a student a chance to try their hands at something new, all while picking up useful and simple Japanese words and phrases. All of the teachers here are bilingual in both Japanese and English and have an extensive knowledge of Japanese media and culture. Classes can be taken individually or as a set, and you can apply via P-Text or make a direct inquiry with us via the following email. We accept payments via bank transfer, credit card, or cash directly in the office. For more information, please refer to both our website and our Facebook page, and be sure to follow us for anything and everything Japanese pop culture.